So I think we are completely done with our Facebook ads, and now we'll have to move to the Snapchat ads. So let's go to Google and type in www.snapchat.com. So of course, for me, Snapchat, it's the most amazing platform and social media to use it to advertise for your products after Facebook, of course. Facebook for me is number one, then Snapchat, and then Instagram. And especially if you want to advertise our products for young people, and especially young girls between 13 years old to up to 25, 24, 26, up to 30 years old. Snapchat is your best option for young people because this social media, this platform, it's full of teenagers. So we're going to go and click adverts, which is advertisement, and then click create an ad. So we have to sign up. Of course, if you don't have an account with Snapchat, just click sign up and type in your first name with your last name, your username, your password, and your email, and your birth month, day, and years, and then click sign up and accept. But if you already have a Snapchat account, then click login. And after entering your email and your password, it's going to log in. So in my case, I have this organization right here, which is Shudra Shopee. You're not going to have any organization, so you're only going to have this option right here, which is new organization. So click new organization. And you have to enter your business name along with your email business and with your full name or your only first name, and then click next. So let's go back and let's go to our Shudra Shopee ad manager. So before jumping and creating our first ad, we're going to move to the dashboard. In the business details, you have to enter your tax ID and the organization ID as well as your current address. Add accounts. In the add accounts, it's an option if you want to add more than one account. And now we're in the members. So members, it's if you want to invite another member, it could be any other account on Snapchat. It could be maybe your father, your mother, your friend, your sister, your brother, or any other person. For example, there are some people who work in a group and they have some medium and big or even small businesses and they are working in a group, so you can add another member to maybe help you creating some ads and targeting people. So in the last option, which is billing and payments, we're going to go and click new payment. So we're in the billing and payments, and the billing and payments, it's an option that's it's going to let you pay Snapchat for its advertisements. So you can enter your credit card or your PayPal account, and that's how you're going to pay Snapchat for doing its job. It's like hiring Snapchat. So click credit card and enter the method name if it's Visa or MasterCard and the 16-digit number and the expire date. The expire date could be something like 10, it could be something like 10, 12 or 06 and 11. And then enter the CVV, it's a digit of 3 numbers and your zip code, and when you're done, click create new.